Alright, so in today's video, we're going to look at complementary angles. Complementary angles. So what are complementary angles? Complementary angles are angles which sum up to 90 degrees. They are angles which sum up, to what? 90 degrees. Alright, so 35 plus 55 will give you 90. So that tells you that 35 and 55 degrees are complementary angles. Alright, 45 plus 45 will give you what? 90 degrees. Alright, 45 degrees plus 45 degrees will give you 90 degrees. So that tells you that 45 degrees and 45 degrees are complementary angles. Alright, 50 plus 40 degrees will give you what? 90 degrees. So that tells you that these two angles are complementary angles. They are complementary angles because when they add up or when they sum up, they will give you 90 degrees. Alright, so complementary angles are angles which sum up to what? 90 degrees. So in calculating complementary angles, there are two rules that you should follow. Number one rule is to know that sine theta is equal to cos open bracket 90 minus theta bracket close. Alright, and you should also know that cos theta is equal to sine open bracket 90 degrees minus theta bracket close. So these two rules you must know. Alright, so if I am given sine theta, you should know that sine theta is equal to what? Cos 90 minus what? Theta bracket open bracket close. Then if you are given cos theta, you should know that that will be equal to sine 90 minus theta bracket open bracket close. Alright, so these are the two rules that you follow whenever you're solving question that has to do with complementary angles. Alright, so here we're going to look at two questions. The first question I have here is to solve the equation cos theta is equal to sine 40. Alright, solve the equation cos theta is equal to what? Sine 40. So what I'm actually looking for here is the value of theta. Alright, so whenever you see a question like this, just know that what you're looking for is the value of what? Of theta. So from our rules of complementary angles, we have that sine theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta, and that cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Alright, so here I would want to convert this cos theta to sine theta. So from complementary angles, I have that cos theta is equal to sine 90 minus theta. Alright, this is from the rules of complementary angles. So instead of me to write cos theta here, I'm going to write sine 90 minus what? Theta. So this will be sine 90 minus theta, alright, is equal to, here I have sine 40, right, is equal to sine 40. The reason I did this is so that my sine can cancel out what? My sine. Alright, so that will be 90 minus theta is equal to what? 40 degrees. So the next thing I'm going to do here is to collect like terms. Alright, so I will take this 90 to the other side of the equation. So when this 90 crosses to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus. So this will be minus theta, which is this minus theta, is equal to 40 minus what? 90. So this will be minus theta is equal to 40 minus 90 will give us what? Minus 50. Alright, so my minus will cancel out my minus. My theta will be equal to what? 50 degrees. This is my answer. Alright, this is my answer to this question. So it's very important that you know again that complementary angles are angles which sum up to 90 degrees. Alright, and there are two rules that you follow. And these are the rules that you follow whenever you are solving questions that has to do with complementary angles. So next, we are going to look at this example that is here. Solve the equation sine theta is equal to cos 2 theta.